Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm making a spread for one of my patrons. It's kind of bittersweet because if you didn't see that video, I'm actually closing my Patreon at the end of May. So this is the last batch of spreads that I'm making. And I have made probably at least 12 spreads per month for the past 6 years. In the beginning, I had even more. I'd say at one point I was up to like 21 or 22 spreads a month. And now it's down to 12 by choice. But yeah, I'm excited to create my last spreads for them. I'm feeling a little bit of pressure because I want it to be special and I want the spreads to be really good. But let's just get started. This is a classic vertical happy planner spread. And I have this new sticker book from Happy Planner Strawberry Picnic. It's one of the newer ones. And I haven't used it yet. I've been saving it for me, but I'm going to use it for my patrons too, because obviously you can make multiple spreads here. But I think what I'm going to concentrate on, there's a bunch of colors in here. I'm going to concentrate just on the red and the blue because that's the majority of this. And I feel like I can create a really cute spread with just red and light blue. So let's get started. The arched boxes are cute. You know, I'm not a big fan of arched boxes, but I do like these strawberry ones. So we're going to use a couple of these. We'll start with that. I also have some washi tape. I thought I could combine it with this polka dot washi because for some reason polka dots and strawberries, like in my head, they go well together. I don't know if you're like that, but I feel like they do. So let's start with one on Monday. And then we'll put another one up here on Sunday. I just got back from the gym. I actually had lunch with my gym friends after, and it's raining out, so Bumble was sleeping the entire time. She briefly got up before I left, and then, so she's been sleeping basically since last night, and it is 1 o'clock, so she might start to get a little bit rambunctious. Hopefully not. She's usually pretty calm when it's raining outside. It makes her sleepy. So we'll hope for the best here. These are cute too. Maybe we add a couple of these blue ones in. Put one here. And let's see. I guess one here. Although then we have that line I don't like. It's kind of unavoidable. How about right here? No. I guess it's going here. Okay, I don't love the placement of those, but we're going to add more stuff in, so I think we'll be okay. Let's start with some washi. This washi tape is from Live Love Posh, and I will link everything I use in this video in the description box. My thought was to do it like this, but I feel like I want to do something more unique with this. I don't know what. I guess we'll just rip a smaller piece and sort of just put it right here. And how about a piece up here? And maybe one more, maybe to cover the note there, which I don't like. Let's get a white pen. Hold on. This is a 𝘰𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘐𝘓. I'm just going to color this in a little bit so I disguise it slightly and put this over top. That's just a little pop over there. Okay. Now, what do we do? I don't know. Let's look at the sticker book for ideas. Maybe throwing in one of these over here would work. Let's try it. I was thinking like right here, maybe even one down there. So these boxes are kind of tricky when they go across 2 days because you're thinking, well, I don't know if I want it to go across 2 days. Well, if you want to break it up, you just like draw a line. I usually do like a dotted line, or you can use thin washi tape to break it up, or you can just write here, and you're gonna know. But I usually draw a line when those things happen. When those things happen, you know what I mean. When all those things happen. Maybe we use a red one on this side. We don't necessarily need another one of these, but I feel like to balance it out, it will be a good idea. But there's red there. I almost want to put it right here under this. Is that crooked? Yeah. Darn it. So yeah, if you didn't watch that video about why I'm ending my Patreon, you can go check that out. But basically, there's a couple of reasons. One, I'm feeling like really overwhelmed all the time and stressed. Is that still crooked? Yeah, kind of. Not doing that for a final spread. The other thing is my life has slowed down greatly, and I go to the gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 o'clock. And sometimes I go out, like today I went out to lunch with my friends after. On Wednesdays, we usually do that. By the time I get back here and get started working, it's at least 1. And then I don't like to work at night. I don't like to work at night. Sometimes I do work at night, but I don't like to. And, you know, then it's like the time gets away from me, and then I'm working part-time. And then throw in seeing my grandkids more often. Like when I go down to Heather's house in Virginia, you know, I'm down there for 2 or 3 days, and I'm not working, right? I mean, sometimes I will, but basically not. And I know this sounds kind of like spoiled a little bit, and I get that, but it's just the reality of it. The way my life is right now, I find that I don't have enough time to devote to it the way I want to. And I'm starting to feel bad about it and not giving them enough. You know, I mean, I was giving them enough, but not as much as I wanted to. So I decided that it was time to make a change. But yeah, I do want to spend more time with my grandkids, because there's a lot of days where I tell them like, I can't see Levi today because I have too much work to do. So I'm trying to like slow down that way, but I also have to make money. So there's that. Treat yourself. So I'm hoping that by closing my Patreon, I will have more time to devote to figuring out how to make up the money in different ways. So that's kind of where I'm at. It's going to be sort of a slow summer because I am going on vacation, and then in June, and like 1 week in June, I'm also watching Lenny for a week when Heather and Chris go away. And then Allie and I are decluttering the craft room the first week in July after I get back from vacation. And then the second week in July, I have surgery for carpal tunnel and cubital tunnel on my right arm. And then the rest of July, I'm probably not going to be working. So it's going to be a little bit slower here on YouTube. I'm going to try my best to batch film videos so that you will have videos, but just keep in mind, it's not like I'm slowing down YouTube or anything. It's just that circumstances this summer are going to prevent me from being as active on here as I want to, probably. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not going anywhere. I'm definitely still going to be filming YouTube videos. And if anything, it will give me more time to eventually film more YouTube videos or put more thought into my videos and maybe do some different things. So we'll see. I'm just putting some strawberries down because they're cute. So cute. Let's put some lines in because I feel like it needs it. This is a Happy Planner checklist stencil if you're new here. Where do I want them? Do I want them here or here? If I put them here, I'll have to put a sticker there. If I put them here, I'll have to put a sticker there. Let's actually let's put the lines here. So yeah, I had just wanted to give you guys a video to explain things, because if you tried to join my Patreon and you weren't able to, that is why. And I am considering other options as far as stuff for my community, because I don't want to lose touch completely. So I am looking into possibly YouTube membership. That way it would all be in one place and more simplified than my Patreon. So that is a possibility. If that happens, and I can't promise you, but if it happens, it will happen probably more towards the fall because of everything I've got going on this summer. I like the thought of having everything in one place, but YouTube takes 30% of your earnings, which is crazy. Patreon takes like 12%, not even 12%. Since I started it back in 2019, I think it was 8%, and then credit card fees and stuff. Anyway, it's nowhere near 30%. So that is like, ugh. But the thought of having it all in one place makes sense. Since I'm already interacting on YouTube, it will be very easy to just go to a different like tab in my app and interact with the membership people. So I'm really considering that. I do have to look more into it though before I decide for sure. But yeah, thinking about that. If I decide to do that, it will definitely be like an announcement. I'll probably be doing like a whole video on it if that is the direction I want to go. But in the meantime, I'll still be here on YouTube, not going anywhere. Let's put this up here for the month. I love this sticker book. I think it's so cute. I will link this for you. Like I said, everything will be linked as long as it's still available. I don't know. I haven't looked to see if it's sold out, but it's just adorable. I think I want another box over here that's this color. So why don't we use one of these? And I don't know if I want one with a strawberry or not. I think not. I love gingham. And I know that's not really gingham, but kind of. And I love light blue and red together. Always have. Let's use this noted somewhere here. I don't know. There? No. I need a box here for sure. Maybe I want an actual box. A box, you know, one of those. I think one with a strawberry, maybe. We'll layer that a little on top of that. And this is missing something. This is missing something. How about one of these little flags there? I don't know. And something for there. Maybe another strawberry, or maybe like a little strawberry bunch. Oh, that's there, so maybe not. But maybe we could put this over here somewhere, like right here. Oh, cute. Cute. How about just a smaller strawberry here? And another smaller strawberry over here. I think that might be enough. What about the sidebar though? Do I want to do anything there? Let's see. This, I kind of don't want to use these because there's like this beige color in the background, although it is here, but this feels darker than this. So I don't really want to introduce that color, but I was thinking about putting a bunch of these down the sidebar. I don't know, let's see how it would look. I mean, it's okay. I don't love it. What if I did something crazy and put this way for like bullet points? That might be really crazy. But you know me, I'm a little wacky and I will make wacky spreads once in a while. Not that this is wacky at all, but oh, these are cute too. We do have this. It's like the only yellow. Oh no, I have some there too. What else? Oh, there's these boxes. So cute. I didn't see those. All right, I'm not going to use this. I'm putting it here. Does that bother you? Because it's like, it's not even going down. It's going down on like the part that's going to stick on forever. And I will be so mad about it later, but I don't care right now. But let's use a couple of these because I feel like this is more matching, although we do have that. But yeah, I think this will work. So we'll put a few of these here. Maybe we alternate. Are there pink ones? Why, Happy Planner? Why are there not pink ones? Like, if this and this are here, why didn't you get like a pink page and a blue page instead of 2 blue pages? It makes no sense. But we will use these, just a few. Like that. I feel like that might be enough. Then there's this space so my patron can do whatever she wants, right? I think it's cute enough. I think it's not like a bam, here's your final spread, but honestly, I don't know how to do that. Like, it feels like too much pressure. Oh, wait. What if we put one of these on here? I probably should have put this down here. I could put it there, but then there's like a lot of red next to red, and I don't know that I want to do that. But these are cute. All right, I think I'm going to leave that alone. And we're going to call it Strawberry Fields Forever for you Beatles fans. So just a quick and easy spread with this Strawberry Picnic sticker book. This is the kind of sticker book that you can just quickly make a spread with, and it's going to be cute no matter what. So yeah, I would go check this one out. It is probably my first or second favorite sticker book in the spring release. So yeah. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys like this spread and like this video. So yeah, if so, please hit the like button. That always does help me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.